Yuki-chan desu. Today I'll be showing you a product that I totemo daisuki desu. It's the dry shampoo from Tsubaki. Jajan! So the first thing I love about it is that you can use it to achieve clean and beautiful hair anytime and anywhere. Sugoi! Are you a very busy person? Daijoubu! You can use it at the start of the day before work, in the middle of the day to refresh yourself, while traveling or after exercising, and of course before you sleep. This unique gel format dry shampoo is different from the others in the market. It does not clog your hair follicles. Sugoi! If your hair is oily, it helps to remove the oil and volumizes your hair. It also refreshes your scalp with a fresh and cooling sensation with its natural mint ingredient. With its naturally derived beauty ingredients, it helps to strengthen the scalp to prevent oiliness, itchiness, and dandruff. Do you know our hair is always touching our face? And if our hair is dirty, it will cause skin irritation. Yada! This dry shampoo has green tea extract infused in it. It has both antioxidant and antibacterial properties that helps to clean your hair. Yatta! Let me show you how quickly this works. To begin, simply apply the product onto your scalp. And then gently massage before letting it dry. To clean your hair, squeeze some onto your palm and spread it through your hair with your fingers. And that's it! It's very easy to do. Very hayai, kantan desu. Now I'm feeling fresh and ready to conquer my day. Hi! Tsubaki desu! Hi! That's it! See you next time! Janis! Sayonara!